Hi guys, we're just setting off to go to Cumboots Dairy Farm. They have their own little vending machine with milk, so we're going to go give it a go. Where's strawberry?
You can go and check this up.
Is that strawberry?
Nope. Salty. No, keep going.
Is there a strawberry?
There is.
Who isn't seen it?
Keep going.
There, keep going. The next red one's a strawberry. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Did you go one too far? Hang on, it's alright because there's strawberry anyway. Hang on, you need to put pennies in.
Who buys it?
80p.
Can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it. Make sure it's gone in.
I think it has.
Oh look, they've got chocolate flakes as well there, look. You know them chocolate grated chocolate bits. Well, it's just dark chocolate. I don't like that. Is it? No, that's it. 80p's in. Let him pull it, Isabel. There you go.
Lots of different choices, but we only got these ones.
Choices of what?
Milkshake flavours.
Right.
I got chocolate and Daddy got strawberry.
Yep. Isaac, what did you get?
I got chocolate orange milkshake and banana milkshake.
Oh, I can't wait to try the chocolate orange. So we're going to mix it with the milk and we'll let you know what the flavours are like. Right, here goes. We've got a little bit of milk left in this bottle and we're going to make the chocolate orange one. So we just need to pour some in. Maybe a bit more than that. Do we think?
Yeah.
Right. Let's put the lid on tight, hopefully. And then guess what we've got to do?
Shake it.
Right, are you shaking it?
Shake it, sassy girl. Shake it, sassy girl.
That's not shaking it. Shake it. Like this.
That is not shaking it.
Of course it is. So Isaac is going to taste test it. Let's pour some in. It's hard to pour while you're watching it through the camera. I'm not sure if I've put enough of the syrup in because I didn't want to put too much in. Thumbs up. Isabel's now going to try some. Ooh. Alright, come on then, Isabel.
It's nice.
My turn to do the taste test. I think it needs a bit more in it. It doesn't really taste of orange.
I've drank all of it.
Doesn't really taste of orange. Got a little bit of an aftertaste, but not. It just tastes chocolatey.